G'day cocktail lovers. I'm going to make an interesting drink I found dates back to the 1860s, was published by Jerry Thomas, and it has an interesting mix of flavours we traditionally associate with the warmer months and also some we traditionally associate with the cooler months. As it's change of seasons as I make this, I figure this could be a good themed drink wherever you are in the world. It's called the Prince of Wales Punch, and it got some nice bright fruity flavours in it, but it also has some of those darker spirits that we associate with, you know, the sort of autumn weather, and I think it's going to provide a really nice balance. Here's how we make it. In a shaker we want to put 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of cognac, follow that with 3/4 of an ounce, around 22.5 mils of rum, and then 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of an orange liqueur, and then 1/4 ounce, about 7.5 mils of maraschino liqueur. Then we want to do 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of pineapple juice, and finally 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of fresh orange juice. Add ice to your shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds just to get a bit of chill and dilution in there, and then you're going to strain that into a glass that's full of ice. Final touch, we're going to pour over the top 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of port. The port sinks to the bottom, so I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir just to get that blended in. Let's see what this tastes like. Ooh, yeah, that comes together nicely. You can maybe winterize that a bit more with some cinnamon flavour in there, or maybe a bit of like a cinnamon sugar syrup would be nice. I feel like you could even turn this into a hot toddy. It feels like it really wants to be warmed up with a cinnamon stick in it. Not sure why. I think it's the orange juice and the darker spirits that are making me feel that. But it's quite tasty. It's an interesting mix of stuff in there, but it comes together well. Maybe you'd like to try it. I hope you do, and I hope you look after yourself wherever you are. Until I see you again, I will say cheers.